Which English speaking course is best? There are many English speaking courses available, and which one is best for you will depend on your specific needs and goals. Some factors to consider when choosing an English speaking course include your current level of English proficiency. Some courses are designed for beginners, while others are more suitable for intermediate or advanced learners. Your learning style. Some courses are more structured and classroom-based, while others are more flexible and self-paced. Your budget. Some courses can be quite expensive, while others are more affordable. The type of English you want to learn. Some courses focus on British English, while others focus on American English, for example. The course format. Some courses are entirely online, while others offer a mix of online and in-person classes. Some popular English-speaking courses include Duolingo. This is a free app that provides gamified language learning. Rosetta Stone. This is a paid language learning program that offers interactive language instruction. EF English Live. This is a paid online English school that offers live online classes with certified English teachers. Kaplan International. This is a language school that offers both online and in-person English courses. Ultimately, the best English speaking course for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. It may be helpful to research several options and read reviews from past students before making a decision. Best one is stay connected with me. I am gonna teach you watch all my video. Thanks for watching.